What's the meaning of chop? Chop. Chop.
Chop. Chop. The term chop has several meanings depending on the context. In cooking, chop typically refers to cutting food into small, equal-sized pieces, often with a knife or other cutting tool. The result is usually finer pieces of food that can be more easily cooked or served. In music, chop may refer to a percussive technique used in playing certain instruments. The result is a sharp, staccato sound. In general usage, chop can mean to cut or divide something into smaller pieces, often with a quick, forceful motion.